Alright, well, we're doing some maintenance today. Got some brakes to change. So let's get to it.
I'm trying to take this motherfucker. I ain't got no weight. Want me to film it?
Yeah. You wanna go in there and release the brakes?
Shit, ain't holding nothing.
Huh?
Cam ain't holding nothing.
Oh, yeah.
I'm shot.
Where's the side? The other side is the one with the bad wheel seal?
Yeah.
Alright, well, we got the brakes off. The slack adjuster fails hanging from the chamber, and the pin came off the S-cam. So it'll fuck. S-cam slid all the way out. So you gotta push that back through. Put the slack adjuster back on, put the bushings and the clip back in. Got the slack adjuster off. And this piece right here broke. I'll clean it up, get some of this grease off, and put it all back together. Alright, I'll be back with you guys. Alright, we got it back together almost. Got the slack adjuster on. Got the slack adjuster back on, the clip in, the bushings in, a new the adjustment bracket, got that back on. So that's everything. I gotta get another Carter key. I just got this in there just to hold it for a second. I'm gonna go get one from the shop. But besides that, it's all done. It's dark. I don't know if you can really see because it's dark up under here, but I'm going to put the shoes on, the drum on, adjust it, put the wheels back on, and that's done. Alright, just wanted to show you guys. I'll be right back.
I was gonna go.
Who's Matt?
That guy
Oh.
who bought the truck from me?
Oh, you bought the truck from?
Yeah.
Here, hold this while I put these things in.
Why you put what on?
I don't know if I'll be able to get it with this fucking thunder in the way. Go for the back shot.
So you got any party keys?
I might have some on the inside.
This fucking thing.
Did I set it on the trailer?
That's Kim got to roll a little bit.
Yeah. I can do this.
Can you use this plug?
Yeah, that'll work. I don't know if DOT will let it work, but
What's that?
he got another pin. What's the other pin? It ain't a Carter pin. It's one of the
The other style?
yeah, the other style.
The one that we like, you push them on?
Yeah.
I guess I can change it.
I don't know how he lost it that quick. Alright. That one's in.
When it's sleeping, it's still recording.
Yeah. When the screen turns, you just touch the screen and light back up. But that's why I keep slipping off. This thing is at an angle. Ah, yeah.
Pissing all by the truck.
Yeah.
Smell it.
Yeah, I pissed a couple times. Look, child, I'll just stick this in there for now.
I don't know how you lost the car just that fast. Why can we clean it up? If you're not looking for it no more, it's gonna pop up.
But it's easy to change.
Probably should have pushed it in from the top.
Like that?
Yeah. Let it hang down. There you go. I don't see why that can't work. It's legal to have them type of clips on anything else. Maybe, I don't know. You know
Maybe
how
because
funny
someone could
they are.
they think someone could get caught on the snapper to pull it out.
Yeah.
But I got the 2 balls in there. Yeah, take the
2 rollers.
Take the 7/16 and adjust it.
Turn it the right way, the motherfucker will pop out.
I got the clip in the hole.
What's it doing?
Yeah, it's going the right way.
But don't you want to put the drum on?
No, you gotta keep going.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. That's
Alright.
all the way in.
Alright, they all the way in.
Yeah.
Let me go get the drum.
And what else? I understand what I did with that clip. Here it is right here. Look. So it went in between this thing here and went on there.
I know it's somewhere over there. I wish I had a hand truck do like them boys at the yard.
Oh yeah, they put it on the lip of the flat part and stand it straight up.
Yeah.
Just twist it.
For some reason, these drums are extra heavy.
Heavy duty.
Extra Chinese metal.
Extra Chinese. The more metal, the less hotter they get. They thin, them shit
I don't
heat
know,
up
these
quick.
drums seem heavier than any other drum I done messed with.
This ain't pick it up a long time. Fuck. Gotta grab it from the side and the bottom.
Don't tell me what to do.
I ain't
Unless you want to come over here and
Give me that thing.
Hmm?
Blood, give me that vice grip.
Greasy ass vice grip. You want me
Just
to
kick them over
touch?
here.
Oh yeah, forgot. Let me clear a path.
Kick it like a football. Flip it over.
There we go.
That's how you do it.
How you doing?
Real mechanic now.
You can adjust them up now
Slid on the brake jump.
and tighten that bolt on the top that holds the adjustment.
I ain't been roll one at a time.
That 1/2 inch. Appreciate that there, blood. Old Mac, man.
Mac, man. Your model's pulling a thing that weighed about 12,000 pounds. That motherfucker was scuffing. God damn. Blood gonna go to jail, man. I'm telling you.
What grade was it?
It was
like a 1.5% grade.
It was just like he was just pulling.
It just as good as that. What year Freightliner you got coming across?
35.
I heard it coming up.
That's 67.
That was 250 though.
That shit was coming up that hill in Montana, wherever the hell y'all was.
What, the one we got?
I said, that motherfucker.
It don't go nowhere, but it pull.
It go now though.
Yeah, no, it sounds good now.
The 529's in that bitch. That shit better go.
It better pull.
Yeah, right.
All right. You can go ahead and adjust that up now.
Man, it stink under here.
Let's go look at Blood's R model. Let's go take a look at that. That old R pup. Come on, Blood, let's go look at it. He done got a B model, forgot what an R model is. I don't know what's wrong with him. He started this shit. Everybody told him leave it alone till you get all your parts. He said, oh, but it's right there. I can just go ahead. I'll be done so quick. It's calling my name. Let me cut it. He cut the shit. Shit been sitting there for 2 years now.
It ain't been 2 years.
3? Damn it, boy. R700. She's supposed to be back on the road already. You got the need me to help you push it? Pull it? The motor mounts, right?
Yeah, they on there.
Let me see.
They all tied in. They're right there.
Damn it, boy. Got the
and the shaft got extended. You can see right here. I had 2 steering shafts and slipped the pipe on the inside and had it.
Where was it welded in?
Right here.
Oh, then you grounded it down good. I can't even tell. Can't tell at all. DOT will never see that.
And it's a sleeve on the inside of there too.
So you put a sleeve in the middle, welded it?
Yep. It's a pipe in the middle of there. And I told him don't make the shaft touch so he can. So the pipe, because the what happened, the sleeve could slide down the shaft and then you'll lose the the strength. So I told him to leave like a little gap. So
and then let the weld fall in the gap.
Fall in the gap.
Yeah.
Yep.
But that's good though, because DOT will never notice that.
Yeah, no.
So they'll never be like, oh, this is welded, you can't repair this.
Yeah. You
can't, I mean, they might say that, you never know.
Because they had 2 shafts. They had one that went to the bracket stood up off of this, and the regular shaft went to that bracket. Then they had another knuckle that went to the other side of the bracket. But this one I just ran it straight through.
Okay, well, it's looking good. You got the motor mounts in there because that's a Super 10, Eaton Super 10, and it had a Mack 5-speed in it, so that takes a completely different bell housing and motor mounts. Yeah. So that was an issue trying to get that straight.
And then the cab is mounted down.
Okay. Oh yeah, he had to put the spacers in here because when he stretched it, it used to be up here.
Yeah, he just these brackets was in these 2 original holes.
Okay.
These 2 went with this.
So you had to slide it back.
Yeah, I had to slide it back.
And the R model cabs, frames get wider, right?
Yeah.
So it was at a different position.
Yeah, because up here is wider than back there. When you go back there,
it's narrower.
So I had to
so I had to put spacers in. Damn, these mosquitoes
to
is coming
catch these back where they was.
Yeah, that makes sense. So you got that done. Well, at least you made that progress. Yeah.
Polish up the well, that's not polish. That's actually a 6-inch pipe, but it lined up pretty good. Lined up real good. I mounted the air tank on the bottom of the like the super liner.
You got the super liner tanks?
Yeah, super liner air tank.
The other side is on there? No, you took the other side and put on the B model, right?
Yeah.
That looked good though. That tank. Yeah. So you made some progress.
And it's got 3 holes. I just took it from, took this and put it in the last one. The last hole that it got. Because the R model is sit lower.
So what else you gotta do?
Get the drive shaft put in. Mount the back of the cab. And the tanks and, you know, steps, little knickknacks. Oh, I gotta extend the. Well, I just get a couple of nuts to extend the rod for the gas pedal.
Okay.
Yeah. And the clutch on the Max it's a cable, so it's that didn't make no difference when I slid the cab back. All of that is still gonna be in the same position.
All right, I'll be right back with you guys.
Time is now 6:37 Eastern Standard Time. Uh-oh. That's never good.
Never good.
When righty loosey. Maybe he got stuck pilots.
Maybe.
One stuck pilot let it turn it the other way. That gun got too much on it.
Need to find out the load.
Who needs 10?
Who needs 10?
Shit.
Yeah, I had to go behind and hit it.
Yeah, push it back in the socket.
Yeah. I gotta find the last lug.
Uh-oh. Got them benches. They all split up. They might be getting chased. Oh no.
That's a Banshee, alright.
Yeah. It was 3 of them.
I can't find the last lug nut.
I see a roller up underneath there. Maybe it might have rolled to the other side. And you thinking them leaves, them pissy leaves?
Oh, no.
This fancy piece of artillery here. They should have came down this block.
Yeah. I don't know where it went, where the last thing went.
Is it sitting on the chassis? Nope. I got one.
Alright, you guys. I'll be back with you in a few. Alright, we wrapped it up. Got this one stud stripped out. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. That stud stripped out, so we got to take it back down and fix it, but we done for the day. So we signing out. Ain't that right, Blood?
Over and out.
That's right. I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Whoa.
Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.